Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Where are you from?
Qingdao.
Qingdao. 哎呀，我也是青岛。
Really? 你也是青岛人？
Really，老乡来了。
你在青岛多久了呀？
我在青岛差不多2年多。We do import export. My office there.
As we keep talking, I couldn't help but ask, what brought him all the way to China?
Because 我们 Pakistan 那个时候我们是一带一路 so we are supporting from both government side. Also, it's good to exchange and make easy for import export from Middle East, Asia country. Also, government is helping foreign people opening company, investing. The China market is top one, the best.
Then he started to show me some of his popular product and talking business. Until a casual but powerful phrase caught my attention.
Pakistan, China, it's good relationship.
Do you think Pakistan and China is a good relationship?
Of course. Actually, China is a good relationship with most of Arab countries, with most of Asian countries, because China give a hand to all the countries. So any Chinese会是喂你在哪里人？我说巴基斯坦，哎，巴铁是这样的。
And just then, to my surprise, he called over another 老乡.
He is
你也是
really
青
good
岛人？
Qingdao.
Yes, I have company in Weifang, 山东人。
你也是我老乡。
对。